As heads up real quick, this is a 2020 Jeep Compass with a 2.4 multi-area engine. Now, in the event of a collision or crash, first of all, y'all see these codes, P1946 P1E08. Y'all see what they mean, what they stand for. However, these codes are active. And guess what, guys? This car was towed here. That's right. They had to tow it to a shop first before it go to a body shop. You know why? Because it won't even freaking start. Yeah, you can see the body shop already had it. They like, forget that. Oh my goodness, they got hit all back there. So here's what I'm thinking, guys. I think they got rear-ended. The car will not start. So check this out. When you get in it, once you finally get battery power back, you can try to start it all you want. Guess what's gonna happen? Let me see. Feet on the brake. Yeah, you see that? Fuel cap off. Now I got the door open. There's some kind of fuel warning gonna come up. That is because, guys, they do not want you to drive the car anymore, all right? Now hear that? Yes, you will essentially run your, but you see that code fuel cutoff activated. That's because the computer is killing the fuel pump. It do not want you to run the car. So here's the deal. Because of that crash initiated through the computer, the seat belts, you can't retract the seat belts. They do not want you to even start the car and run it until you get the seat belts fixed. So my job here is I got 4 hard fault codes, a seatbelt tensioner and seatbelt retractor. All right, in the event of a crash, I guess the assumption is you had your seatbelt on and now it don't work because of the crash. So they're not gonna allow you to start the car until you replace these parts or repair this circuitry, and then tell the computer that these parts been replaced, so it will give you a fuel back. All right, so what has happened is the computer eliminated or instructed the fuel pump not to even run, so you can't start the car. So that's the only reason why they told here. No, I'm not a body shop guy. I'm not doing body work. However, they need me to get the car running so they can do their thing. All right, guys, I got work to do. Let me figure this stuff out. It's getting crazy as these cars get newer and newer. Things are getting crazier and crazier. Y'all stay tuned.